Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you can get a notification. And if you're not new, well, what's up poppin' fam? Thank you for tuning back in. Like I said, before we get into this video, I'm gonna say it again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. I am open to the criticism. I really am. But I'm not even going to talk for long. We're going to hop right into this video. I got some new hair, guys, and I'm so excited. So excited. By the way, because I did just upload a video of this hair, which is from Wigs, and I got to curl it. So, I mean, shoot, it's holding some curls pretty good, but that's not what this video is about. It is about Celie hair, honey. Woot woot. From the vendor off of AliExpress. I have heard a lot of good things about this hair. So we're going to check it out. I'm going to make a wig, but I'm just going to, you know, do a little box opening. I got 3 12-inch bundles and 1 10-inch closure. The shipping on this, let me tell you something, honey. Okay, they do not play. I ordered this hair, I want to say on a Thursday or a Friday. Of course, weekend day, like close to the weekend, so of course I'm not going to get it, you know, Saturday or nothing. But it said I was supposed to get it the following Wednesday. Why did my hair arrive Monday, honey? Okay, Monday. They play no games. They play absolutely no games. And this is the hair. Of course, it came in like a little protective net, but I went ahead and took that off. It doesn't have any, like, you know, stinky smell to it. It smells like weave. I personally don't think that's a bad smell, but of course, you know, you still co-wash it and everything. It says here that it's 100% virgin human hair. It can take dye, bleach, and perm. So yes, this is 12 inches. And from the West, I am not receiving any shedding. And to me, I think these ones pretty big. None unless I'm just tripping and I haven't had, you know, bundles in my hand in a very long time. So yes, that is how they all look. Of course, they're not, the others aren't any different. Comes and it shows you, you know, the length that you ordered. These are the other 2. And again, no shedding. No shedding, honey. And this hair is so super soft. I mean, super soft. I really cannot wait to put this in my head. And this is the 10-inch closure that I got. And I did get it parted in 3. 1, 2, 3. Just 3. Just so you know, I can move the wig and put it wherever I want it to. And just to have, you know, a little so I can know like where to pluck, because I'm definitely going to have to, you know, go in there and pluck it so it can look really good, okay? So it can look like a frontal, not a closure. But yeah, it's not really pre-plucked up here. I mean, just a tad bit, but like I said, I'll probably still have to go in and do that. Nice little texture. No shedding from the closure either. Nope, no shedding or smell. So yes, and it comes with, of course, the booklet on how to take care of it. I mean, that's how you take care of it. You know, you're supposed to read the booklet that they give you. And they also sent me this little cute hand mirror that I will use. It is so adorable. Look at it. That is so cute. Yes, Celie. Yes. So yeah, that concludes this video. I didn't want to make it too long. Didn't want to bore y'all with, unnecessary facts. But the shipping is great. It feels great. Doesn't smell. I am going to make this into a wig. I may record that. But as far as that goes, I will have any other details that I might have left out in this video in the description box. And if you have any other questions about the hair that I may not have said on camera or put in the description box, feel free to leave it in the comment box, you guys, and I will respond to your comments. I don't just leave y'all hanging. Even if y'all just saying, hey, I'll respond back to you. But and do you guys like my new backdrop? Your girl is trying to slowly but surely upgrade her YouTube channel, you guys, and I'm trying to look good for you. So like I said, if there's anything criticizing you guys need to say, comment box. I want to hear it all. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.